Hello, I'm Risa and I'm going to explore through the topic Green HRM. Green HRM is the use of HRM policies to promote the sustainable use of resources within business organizations. It involves undertaking environment friendly HR initiatives resulting in greater efficiencies, lower costs, and better employee engagement. What are Sustainable Development Goals? Sustainable Development Goals are a collection of 17 interlinked goals which are designed to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. These are the 17 goals, but we are concerned with Sustainable Development Goal 11 and 15. They are sustainable cities and communities, life on land. Why? Because 3.5 billion people live in cities today. 828 million people live in slums. Cities occupy just 3% of Earth's land but account for 60 to 80% of energy consumption and 75% of carbon emissions. So, in a nutshell, Green HR is the use of HRM policies to promote sustainable use of resources in business organizations, to keep healthier environment by increasing employee awareness, and to promote environmental economical sustainability practices. The Green HRM policies help organizations to reduce employee carbon footprints. Examples: electronic filing, car sharing, job sharing, teleconferencing, virtual interviews, recycling, telecommuting, online training, energy efficient office spaces, etc. Yay! I'm more confident and energetic. I get beautiful vibes in here. Now, let's look into Green HRM process. Green HRM process starts with green recruitment, green performance management, green training and development, and green compensation and rewards. Green compensation and rewards can include paid vacations, awards in public, employee extra benefits, gift certificates, etc. Let's look into a few case studies. Case study 1. Company ITC Limited. For the first time in India, ITC launched environment-friendly multi-purpose paper called Papercraft Premium Business Paper for office and home use, using a technology ozone-treated elemental chlorine-free technology, replacing elemental chlorine which was conventionally used in bleaching process during paper manufacture. Case study 2. Tata Consultancy Services. TCS mainly focus on agricultural demands of community. It provides consultancy services and it is also a largest software services provider and exporter. Another example, Oil and Natural Gas Company. Oil and Natural Gas Company had taken many incentives to go green and help to reduce wastages by producing oil and gas, which helped to create sustainable development. So, Green HRM deals with green printing, going paperless, eco-friendly talent, reduce commuting, green rewards, and green policies. So I conclude that green employers can witness several benefits as a result of green HR implementation. Improved employee morale, stronger public image, increased consumer or customer confidence, employee loyalty and brand recognition, position as an employer of choice, increased workforce productivity, efficiency, motivation and employee retention are few of the many advantages and benefits an organization can have by green HRM. Thank you.